The Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar on Thursday took a dig at people raising questions on electronic voting machine. Speaking to the press about the accusations of EVM tampering, Rajiv Kumar mentioned that in the last 2022 elections, there has been a consistent pattern of allegations against EVM being tampered with their reliability being doubted. However, ultimately they have consistently shown the outcomes. The EVM results are visible to all. What is the reason for blaming that unfortunate man? Allowing a few days for it to rest. Allow the EVM to have a break until the upcoming election. Next, it will be taken apart, its battery will be replaced and its document will be updated. After that, it will be mistreated once more but will still produce a satisfactory outcomes. According to Rajiv Kumar, despite the last 2022 elections showing similar results, the government continues to change. The head of Election Commission also mentioned that EVM may have been created during a period when it's constantly faced accusations and criticism, but it is extremely trustworthy. It has now become impartial in all aspects and carries out the task, he added. The opposition and Election Commission have disagreed on the trustworthiness of EVMs. The Supreme Court previously rejected a petition challenging the use of ballot paper in elections by invalidating Section 16(1)(a) of Representation of People Act 1951, stating that court has already reviewed more than 10 cases concerning EVMs. At the same time, the CEC, accompanied by Election Commissioners Gyanesh Kumar and SS Sandhu, handed over notification forming the 18th Lok Sabha and roster of newly elected lawmakers to President Draupadi Murmu at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. It was stated that Election Commission of India submitted a notification to President as required by Section 73 of Representation of People's Act 1951 with the name of members elected to 18th Lok Sabha after the general elections. President Murmu praised the Election Commission for successfully finishing the world's largest democratic process of electoral. It was stated that she thanked the Election Commission, its officials and staff and other public officials and police security personnel for their hard work in conducting a fair and successful election on behalf of the entire country. CEC Rajiv Kumar along with Gyanesh Kumar and SS Sandhu paid a visit to Rajghat, the memorial of Mahatma Gandhi. CEC assured that Election Commission's commitment to the country will continue to unwaveringly as it enters its 76th year. He stated that the Commission made sure that the biggest election in the world generated democratic profits and that not even the slightest shadow of violence has been permitted in the high-stake process involving millions of people. On Wednesday, President Murmu disbanded the 17th Lok Sabha. The current Lok Sabha term expires on June 16 and a new government must be formed before then.